Passionate from miles away. Passionate from the things you say. Passionate from miles away. Miles away.
Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Evensyaxo coming to you with another video. And today I'm going to be reviewing the new Huda Beauty Lilac Obsessions palette. So if you guys would like to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. Today I'm gonna be trying out the new Huda Beauty Pastels palette. I'm kind of excited to try this because this is my first Huda Beauty purchase. Her new Obsessions, mini Obsessions palette, the Pastels Obsessions, and this one is the lilac one. I did not get the other two because it is a hefty price. It's $29 for 9 colors, and I just can't see myself doing that 3 times. I can't see myself purchasing this 3 separate times, so yeah. And this one was the only one that I felt like I didn't have these colors in my collection already, so why not, okay? The other two are the Mint Obsessions palette and the Rose Obsession palette. So let's just open this bad boy up. Okay, so I swatched all the colors. I hope you guys can see that. I do have to say the shimmers are kind of disappointing in the swatches, but maybe my swatching game sucks, but these are all the swatches. Like, you can barely see some of the shimmers, and I did go double dipping into the shimmers with my finger and try to build up the colors a little bit, but it just wasn't working out. So hopefully they look better on the eyes, and I feel like they will. But so far, I am not too impressed. As per usual, we're just gonna go ahead into my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. I'm gonna take the darkest purple color right here, and I'm going to put that in my crease area and the outer corners. Really blend out the arch of my brow. I like to take some nudie colors and use that as a way to kind of diffuse the color by my brow bone. And then I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease as usual. And I like to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour, my cream contour kit, that yellowy color right there. And I use that as my cut crease shade. Now we're just going to take the really light purple in this corner, and we're gonna kind of set that cut crease. And I'm gonna take that dark purple that we had, well, it's not dark purple, but the darkest purple in this palette, and I'm just going to re-stamp it into that outer. I kind of want to add some shimmer, so we are going to use, I kind of like this really icy shimmery color right here, so I kind of want to use that. I want to see how it feels with a brush first, but I feel like it'll work better with your fingers. But let's see with the brush first. Yeah, you need your fingers for this, because with the brush it just picks up the eyeshadow you already put down. Let me try wetting my brush. Wetting the brush actually helps a lot. Wetting the brush works wonders. All right, so for liner, I'm gonna be using my Marc Jacobs liner. I'm gonna be using my NYX liquid liner in white. Really don't like this liner. I feel like I say this all the time, but I don't like it. I'm just gonna put that in the crease area. There we go. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye off camera and add lashes, and I'll be right back. Alright, so this is how the eyes are looking now that I've done the other one and put on some lashes. I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my face. Now this part is kind of boring, so I'm gonna just speed through it, and I'll come back with my final thoughts at the end. Okay, since I'm finished with most of my face, I'm going to move on to the bottom lash line, and I'm going to keep it very simple and do just the generic purple on the bottom, so I'm going to take the darkest purple. I'm just going to plop that on the bottom lash line. I'm going to go in with a cream pencil for this. I'm just gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty highlighter first, mixing the two together. Okay, so this is the finished look with the new Huda Beauty Lilac palette. So, I have some things to get off my chest. Now, I do feel like this is women of color friendly, but to an extent. So, like, I am not the deepest, darkest chocolate girl, you know? So, I don't know how this would perform on a darker skinned girl because already you can barely see the darkest purple. So that can be kind of scary. There are things that we can do to kind of help that, like putting on a lighter base and whatnot on our eyes, but I feel like you shouldn't have to do all of that just to make an eye look work, but maybe it's different for pastels, I don't know. But yeah, the darkest purple is barely showing up, like you can barely see it right now. Like if you were to see me, you could only see whatever's on my lid. You can't really tell that I put something in my crease area. So yeah, that is kind of disappointing for me, but I mean, it is pastel purple, so I wasn't expecting too much. And like, you can't even see it on the bottom lash line that much unless I like bring you really, really close. But I feel like I shouldn't have to go through all of that just so that you guys can see that I am wearing some pastel colors. All in all, I do like the formula of these palettes. For this being my first Huda Beauty palette, I am pretty surprised at how well it blends in with each other. Like the blendability of these palettes are really good. So I might just, you know, dabble a little more in the other palettes that she has. Maybe in the like $65 palettes or whatever costs, whatever they cost, I don't know. But yeah, I like the shimmers. I actually like the shimmers a lot more than I do the mattes. The mattes blendability, hands down, one of the best blends that I've done in a while, to be quite honest. And the shimmers are really bomb. Like, I feel like the shimmers work best when they're wet. So like, I feel like you shouldn't wet the actual palette. You should wet it on the brush and then apply it, and then like do like nice smooth motions, you know, a little bit over there, and it looks really bomb. Like, to really make this palette yo bitch, you kind of need a palette like let's say the Fenty Beauty number 6 palette, because it has like that dark black that you can use to darken that purple that they have in the Huda Beauty palette. So I'm definitely going to be using these in future videos as a combo pair just to see how they work together, because I feel like that's going to look bomb, okay? It's going to look bomb. I mean, already it looks really, really cute on me, but I just want it to be able to work on every single skin tone, you know? Like, it looks alright on me, but like, I want it to work. I want pastels for the dark skin, chocolate skin girl, okay? I'm gonna be looking out for if any dark skin girl reviews this so I can see if it works for her, because I'm really excited to see if it does. I feel like it probably won't, which sucks, but we'll see. Maybe I'm wrong. But anyway, thank you guys so much for tuning into another video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave me a thumbs up if you like what you saw and you saw what you like. Also make sure to hit that subscribe button. It's going to be down in this corner right here. Join my little familia, get a little familiar with me. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.